Okay, so here's the walkthrough of my edited app. I did get a couple of good things from my usability tests and my feedback. Most of the good tips came from the professor's feedback because he actually knows what's going on, whereas people who I tested, they weren't looking at the same elements and they didn't really know what to give me for feedback. So I go into my create an account. You can type in your name, enter in all your information here, get out of that one, and then select make a default payment so that it automatically pays with that card you enter in. Then get started. So I moved this a little bit closer. The truck will be there in 20 minutes. This is meant to be the home page, where your home is located on the home page. I changed the ice cream cone to a shopping bag because it did make more sense. And in some of my usability tests, people didn't know what the ice cream cone was. So it's not better to leave it something standard like a shopping bag or a shopping cart. Um, Going to place an order. I added prices here and here so that now you know what you're going to be paying for and you know how much it's going to be. So you add your toppings or whatever, your choices here. Oops. There we go. Add it to the order. Now it pops up with a number so you know it's been added to your bag. On this screen, unfortunately, my Illustrator app didn't save, so I've been working on screenshots. So excuse this, is supposed to be a shopping bag. But anyway, we can go in, we can edit our order. I added the feature to be able to take out certain toppings, but let's just do that. Update order, and then I changed the order placed screen so that you can check the home page to track the truck. Oh, actually, wait. I added this update order button because it wasn't clear how to get out of this screen before. This is supposed to be grayed out. There was a little X, but now this officially updates the screen. Check the home page to track the truck, and then I said that the order was placed with the default card. So then moving on from there, I'm not sure how I want to adjust this calendar. I think that changing it to a weekly thing and including it on the home page might be a little more helpful. I just liked the thought of being able to look at everything in advance, sorry. The order history button, I'm struggling to pick a replacement for that little icon there. But on here I did add the option to reorder an ice cream, and then it goes, okay, your order's placed again. And I did add in the account page, which I forgot the first time, so it's going to give you your name, your address, your username, and your payment information, and then you can update your payment information. But that's pretty much all I had for my update. The usability studies were really helpful in helping me tweak a couple little items that I struggled with in the first round of prototypes. So I hope this is a little bit better. Thank you very much.